Have you ever closed your eyes and let the rhythm of Irish traditional music transport you? That captivating, pulsing beat often comes from a remarkable instrument that holds the very heartbeat of a session. A bodhrán sounds like a deep, resonant, and percussive drum, forming the rhythmic backbone of Irish traditional music. It produces a rich, earthy tone, ranging from crisp, high-pitched taps to full, booming bass notes, creating a driving and energetic feel. The unique sound of a bodhrán comes from its simple yet ingenious design. It is a frame drum, typically made of a wooden frame covered with an animal skin head, often goat skin, played with a small double-ended stick called a tipper or beater. The player holds the drum with one hand, pressing against the back of the skin to change its tension, which in turn alters the pitch and tone. This technique allows for an incredibly expressive range, creating melodic rhythms rather than just simple beats. To truly appreciate the bodhrán, seek out live Irish music sessions or watch videos of experienced players. Listen for how the bodhrán player interacts with other instruments, accentuating melodies and driving the tempo. You will notice its versatile sound shifting from a gentle, almost brushing rhythm during slower tunes to a powerful, thumping pulse that energizes faster jigs and reels. What makes the bodhrán truly special is not just its sound, but its role as a dynamic textural instrument. Master players can create complex rhythmic patterns using different parts of the tipper and varying skin tension. This allows the bodhrán to add layers of subtle color and dramatic punctuation to the music, transforming a simple beat into a vibrant conversation with the other instruments. It is more than just a drum, it is a storyteller. Ultimately, the bodhrán's sound is the rhythmic soul of Irish music, offering an incredible range of textures and emotions. By understanding how its unique construction and playing style contribute to its sound, you can better appreciate the depth and dynamism it brings to every performance, enhancing your experience of this cherished cultural art form.